Hale Kiawe, designed by Walker Warner Architects, is located on the west coast of the Big Island of Hawaii, on a lava landscape formed by past volcanic activity. The house is designed as separate pavilions, connected by open pathways and transitional spaces. This strategy allows for natural airflow, maximum light, and an open experience of space to the surrounding landscape. Elements such as simple gable roofs, the use of local materials, and lightweight structures give the impression of architecture that is responsive to the local climate and conditions. Functionally, the house emphasizes flexibility and visual connection to the landscape. The main spaces such as the kitchen, dining, and living areas are strategically oriented to capture ocean views and maximize natural ventilation, while bedrooms are separated to provide privacy and direct access to the outdoors. The primary materials used convey resilience and warmth. Local lava stone is combined with cedar and weathering steel, creating a subtle, yet visually powerful, contrast of materials. Every design decision was made with coastal durability in mind, and an understated, unobtrusive aesthetic. This austere yet striking site becomes the basis for a highly contextual design approach, where architecture exists not as a dominant element, but as part of a larger natural landscape. Hale Kiawe demonstrates how architectural design can respond to geographic and climatic context in a profound way. It is an example of a home that is not only visually beautiful, but also efficient, adaptive, and in harmony with the environment in which it stands. An approach that prioritizes silence, function, and material integrity, without the need for excessive form or expression.